Hello there. If you click this, maybe you know already about evergreen videos, because that is the thing I will be talking all about now. The evergreen contents, the evergreen videos that last forever. Okay, now, but anyway, if you still know, just give a comment if you think that I'm right or wrong. If there's something you want to add, just put it in the comments below, because I know some of you viewers now already know about evergreen videos. But of course, you can also help by putting on the comment below some additional information about evergreen videos and your own experience about evergreen videos. And maybe some of our viewers here who will be reading the contents there can also learn from you. Okay, but for those who doesn't know, you can maybe watch the whole video and you will really learn what are really evergreen contents or videos. Okay, evergreen contents or videos are really those kind of contents that people really watch. And it doesn't matter if that video is old or new. Like, for example, if you share a content and in that content it shows, okay, for my contents, for example, in E.S.freecoach, I will be putting there how to edit your thumbnail using Pixie Lab app. And that kind of content, people needs it, okay? Because editing a thumbnail easily, and like you don't have to sit in front of your computer, for example. Okay, you're a part-time YouTuber. I just need to do these things in my phone. You're sitting in somewhere else, and you want to do a thumbnail that you can only do for like a minute or 5 minutes. Then you need an app that you have only in your mobile phone. And that kind of content is very useful, it's very informative, and people needs that information. So even if that content is already there for 10 years, that is earning money. Those are evergreen contents. Contents that is being consumed by people no matter what date, no matter how long that content is there. They will use it. But if we say about a mobile phone, and you are like unboxing a mobile phone that is a new released in 2022. In 2020, that is not new anymore. So that is a kind of content that can be dying. But an evergreen content will never die. That is why it's called an evergreen, because people will always watch it. If you will put a recipe of your grandma or your mom or your dad, and that recipe is a very good recipe, and people really needs that recipe, they need the information, I will tell you that content is considered an evergreen content. Because it is a recipe, when people start to use it and it tastes so good, they will even recommend it. They will even say, go to this channel. She has recipes from her grandmas, her granddad, her moms or dads. And that kind of recipe will last forever. A recipe that became like antique for how many years? Because the taste is really good. And when it comes to cooking, the recipes you get from your mom, the recipes I got from what I cook is actually recipes from my mom. And I will tell you, those are the kind of recipe that will really be useful, that is very informative, and people want it. So even if it's a very old one, people will watch it. People will search for it, okay? If you want to just put in your YouTube channel, recipes of my grandma, all your contents will be consumed by people. All your contents will be consumed. It's because everybody wants to learn. Especially now you go out, it's so expensive. You cannot eat in restaurants every day. You have to cook if you really want it, unless you have a lot of money, okay? Number 2, if you do gardening contents, yeah, A very big example, I have this kind of video. I'm not a big YouTuber. I am my first monetized channel is not very big, and I know why. I did a lot of mistakes. Everybody knows when you do a lot of mistakes in YouTube, and you don't interact so much in YouTube. The more you interact, with the YouTube community. If you're not a famous person, okay, if you're famous, it's okay not to interact. You get views anyway and subscribers. But if you are not, then you really need a lot of interacting, advertising, and all this thing, to promote your videos, and you get more subscribers and you get more views. That is really the normal trend in YouTube, in my own experience. Okay, some people have luck, and some people you really have to give a lot of work on it. Okay, I have this content, and this video is like, I think, around 2 years already, and I got a lot of views on it, and that is a total evergreen video. I never expected, but you never expect either that after 6 months you have an evergreen. This video is evergreen, but why I don't have a lot of views? You have to consider, okay, how long have you been in YouTube? How long that video is there? How much you put time to interact with people. So evergreen videos can really get a lot of views, and it also differs of how long that video is there. How do you present that video? Because the competition is very big. Even if you have an evergreen content, but the way you presented it is not really so good, the quality is bad, and the way you presented it, it's not very, it's the competition is just so tight that what I've noticed myself is like, having my first monetized YouTube channel, I really have noticed that if you are a small YouTuber, you have really, put a lot of time in your contents, in interacting with other people, and just to get a lot of subscribers and a lot of followers, and that you have really to maintain. But if you're a person that you have really good quality contents, good presentation, and all your contents is evergreen, you can really grow even if you don't put so much. But of course, I think 90% of YouTubers really put a lot of things, a lot of time to their contents for them to really grow very big. And when they already grow very big, boom, you don't have to interact so much. You just put a heart and people will just come back all the time. That is really how, and people just like your channel. It's because you have these contents that are really good to consume, that are very informative. And, when you get famous, the next time after 10 years, you just put, even if it's not so interesting, even if you don't have your face in it, even if it's just a very nice picture, people will click on it because they already know you. That's how it works. But if you are a beginner, try to put evergreen contents in your YouTube channel, and I will tell you, after a while, maybe not after a month, but after a while, your evergreen videos will really pay off. You get money even if you're sleeping. It's earning money there. It's earning money, and that is how you will treat your YouTube channel and your contents. If the more evergreen videos you put, the more views you get. And we're not talking only of a short term. Evergreen videos last forever. That is why they call it evergreen. So you have evergreen videos, I will assure you. Do not be just frustrated after a month or 6 months that you don't have a lot of views, okay? It might take a year or 2 years that your evergreen videos will really grow. It's just like gardening. When you plant, I will tell you, when you plant evergreen plants, you call them evergreen, where they don't lose their leaves, like the pine trees, they are evergreen. They don't lose their leaves. They don't look dying during winter. This kind of plants, it takes time for them to grow. And it's the same with YouTube. If you put evergreen contents, they might not grow. They might not grow like after a year. But I will tell you, after 1 year, 2 years, you will see the growth of them. So in YouTube, treat it this way. Even though slowly, but surely. And besides, it's a matter of the time and effort you put on the quality of videos in your YouTube channel. Do not expect that you just put, contents there that are not evergreen, that are crap, or you don't do anything. You don't increase, the the presentation, the quality, sorry, with the tight uh, competition here in YouTube, people are doing their best to make very well presented videos. And in that way, your evergreen contents will really give you money later on. Okay? Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Evelyn, and if you think that this video is helping you, then subscribe to my channel if you're not my subscriber yet. And if you think that evergreen videos in your own experience is really good and really pays off, put your content so maybe some of the viewers who doesn't even know about evergreen contents can also learn something from you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share this. Okay? Thank you.